Good morning on Thursday the 15th of June, new Bitcoin update. Bitcoin on the daily, yeah, well, still following that yellow path. We already reached the green box, which I drew beginning of May. We are there, but I also updated earlier in the week, or last week already, that we are most likely going a bit lower, and we could even go a bit more down, being this ABC towards 23,000. But that is basically still, this move, just going a bit lower as I thought 6 weeks ago. Ether also reaching its green box, also chart from early May. But here also the update that B went over here and that we are doing this ABC. Back weeks ago I was not sure about the bottom, and then it came more clear that we would go a bit lower. So reach this box, but a bit more downside coming, 1,500. You can already see here a doodle, which I expect the same for Bitcoin. To explain that, well, I do explain a bit in 3 minutes, and this is just a summary of what I update in our group, and in 3 minutes you cannot explain a lot, but we do have that big move to the downside from the top A, B, C, which could go all the way to 23,000 with a first target for this ABC, A, B, C, at 24,000 more or less. And you can see that ABC is doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see here that 3 is not in place yet. And let me go to the 1 hour chart and compare this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So either we do have this kind of bounce and then down, or we just drop during the day already towards 3, which could be a couple of hundreds lower. After that, what I said, the bounce, and when I go back to this chart on the 4 hour, please, then it would mean that we do this down, a bounce towards that previous low, somewhere over here, rejection, and a move into 24,000, the low 24, and maybe even lower 23,000. Still not really great. My view is my bias is still bearish. We are heading towards end of a cycle, but that may take a while. For now, my first bullish looks would be over here, short term, and here 26,000. That would make me a bit more bullish, but I need to see really some strength coming back. And also some spot demand, which is still not there. You can see here, white. There is still no demand in spot trading. First I want to see that coming back, returning, before I consider more bullish bias. So hang in there tight, guys. A bit more downside to come, and maybe already today a bit of a bounce, and then a more downside, 24,000 with possibility of 23,000. Nonetheless, I wish you a very nice day.